Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ella Page. I'm a real estate agent in St. John's, Florida, and I love to share all things on new communities in St. John's, things to do in St. John's County, frequent questions asked whenever people are moving to this area, and a lot of behind the scenes of how I run my real estate business. However, today I'm going to share with you guys about a new community in St. Augustine, Florida called St. Augustine Lakes. So in this video, I'm going to go over information like the location of the neighborhood, the floor plans that are offered, the amenities that are going to be in this community, and the fees that are going to be associated with them, the schools that this neighborhood is zoned for, along with some drive-through footage of the neighborhood and some footage of some of the model homes so you can see what sort of features you can expect in one of these homes. So starting off, we're going to talk about the location of this neighborhood. So the great thing about this neighborhood is you are really close to the downtown historic district of St. Augustine, probably about a 15-minute drive. But the good thing is you are still tucked away from all the hustle and bustle. Lennar has done a really great job of just putting in lots of lush greenery, all these lakes, and you really don't feel like you are close to a big town. So with being close to St. Augustine Historic District, you are close to a ton of things like a lot of restaurants and shops and a lot of water activities. So things like paddleboarding, parasailing, jet skiing, boating, sunset cruises, all of that is 15 minutes away from where you live. As well as you are on the same exit off of I-95 to the St. Augustine Outlet Mall. So there's also really great shopping about 5-10 minutes down the road, which can be a blessing and a curse. You're also one exit south of the World Golf Hall of Fame exit. So there are two great golf courses close by, the Slammer and Squire and the King and Bear golf courses. And off of that exit is a new Costco that recently opened in the area. So for all my Costco members, you are just one exit south of a great brand new Costco. Now let's move on to talking about what amenities are going to be in this neighborhood. Now this neighborhood, as I'm filming this, is just beginning construction. So the amenities are not currently yet built. However, in the future, there will be a nice swimming pool with a cabana area and some bathrooms, as well as a playground and a picnic area. And you may be wondering what sort of fees will you be paying for those amenities. So the HOA fee right now is $180 a year, and currently the CDD fee is $19.50 a year. However, whenever the amenities are actually built, that will probably go up to about an estimate of $2,700 a year. If you're unfamiliar what a CDD fee is, it's a Community Development District fee, and it's the bond used to purchase the land to develop the community. So it's paid over the course of 30 years by all of the homeowners, and it's paid in your property tax bill. So when you pay property taxes in November, usually that CDD fee is included in that bill. Now let's talk about the floor plans and the lots that are offered in this community. So I will put a picture of the lot map on the screen and you can see what the actual footprint of the community is designed to be. And they are currently selling 11 floor plans. These are ranging from about 1,500 square feet up to 2,358 square feet. There are both single and two-story home options, so I know some people like one or the other. There are plenty to choose from that would be able to fit you and your family's needs in a floor plan. And the prices on these homes range from $329 to $405. Now, these are the current prices. Builders can change prices, and I'm not sure when exactly you're watching this in relation to when I'm filming it, but those are the current prices, and if you would like some more updated information, you can feel free to reach out to me for that. Speaking of floor plans, their most popular floor plan is called their Trevi floor plan. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home that is just over 2,000 square feet. So they do have a model of this floor plan in the community, so I'm going to go ahead and show you some footage of this floor plan. talk about incentives. So incentives are something that builders will throw at buyers to incentivize them to purchase a home with them. These incentives are always changing. However, Lennar, I found, has had great incentives when it comes to interest rates, which is a big talk right now with the interest rates being so high in the 6s and 7s. However, until July 9th of 2023, Lennar was running an incentive that would lock a 4.25 interest rate on homes that were closing before September, and they are running an incentive on homes that closed before November. They would lock a 4.99 interest rate. Again, I don't know when you're watching this in relation to when it's being filmed, so please reach out to me for more updated information. Builders change incentives all the time, so I want to make sure you have the most accurate information possible. So moving on to what schools this neighborhood is zoned for. So that is going to be Webster Elementary School, Murray Middle School, and St. Augustine High School. I will provide some resources and links to information on those schools so you can see what they're rated, what their stats are, things like that. However, in a general sense, all of these schools are located in the St. Johns County School District, which is consistently ranked among the top public school districts in the state of Florida. These schools are also all very close in proximity to this neighborhood, so that's great if you have to drive your kids to school or if they're taking the bus, and if you have any teenagers driving themselves to school, it's a short commute to get to all of these different schools. So in any event, I'm going to wrap up this video here. I hope that this was informative and valuable. That is why I make those videos, is to help you be able to see what it would be like to move into St. John's, Florida, and in particular neighborhoods. So for any more information on this community, St. Augustine Lakes, on Lennar, on living in St. John's, Florida, any information at all that I can help you with, please feel free to reach out to me. I am just here to be a resource for you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.